Hi, I'm Tarak, a student of computer science engineering and with focus on AI/ML in PPSIT. Today, I'll briefly introduce the concept of supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where model is trained on labeled data. In this process, the algorithm learns from input-output pairs using the known output pairs to predict the outcomes for new unseen data. The goal is to learn a mapping from inputs to outputs so the model can make accurate predictions. Common algorithms include linear regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. This approach is used in applications like image recognition, spam detection, and predictive analysis. First, supervised learning. And in this presentation, we'll explore the concepts of applications and future directions of supervised learning and a fundamental pillar of artificial intelligence. First, let us understand the basics. Label datasets and desired outputs. Label datasets. Supervised learning relies on labeled datasets where each data point is associated with specific output, providing the model with examples to learn from. Desired outputs. The goal of supervised learning is to train a model to predict the desired output for a new unseen data points based on the patterns learned from the labeled datasets. This means we'll get the output of the new data from the previous labeled dataset. Supervised learning algorithms. There are two types of learning algorithms. First, classification and regression. Classification. Algorithms predict categorical outputs, classifying data into distinct categories. Regression. Algorithms predict continuous outputs, estimating values within a specific range. Applications of supervised learning. It spans from spam detection to fraud prevention. Spam detection. It will clarify the emails as spam or not spam based on content analysis. Fraud prevention. Identifying fraud transactions based on user behavior and financial patterns. Medical diagnosis. It will also assist doctors in diseases by analyzing the patient's data and its diseases. So it clearly helps in our day-to-day life. The supervised learning or workflow. Data pre-processing, model training, and evaluation. Data pre-processing, cleaning and preparing data for model training, including handling missing values and transforming features. Model training, feeding the prepared data to the chosen supervised learning algorithm to learn patterns and create a predictive model. Model evaluation, accessing the model's performance using a various metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall. There are different kind of challenges in supervised learning. Some of them are overfitting, bias, and interpretability. Overfitting. The model learns the training data too well, failing to generalize the new data points. Bias. The model reflects bias presence in training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory predictions. Interpretability. Understanding the model process, allowing and trust in its predictions. Supervised learning. Deep learning and transfer learning. Deep learning. Leveraging deep neural networks with multiple layers to learn complex patterns and features from data. Transfer learning. Reusing knowledge from previously learned models to accelerate learning on new tasks and data. The future of supervised learning, integrating with unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Hybrid approaches, combining supervised learning with unsupervised and reinforcement learning techniques to overcome limitations and enhance performance. Continuous learning, developing models that can adapt and improve their performance over time through ongoing training and feedback. Ethical AI, ensuring that supervised learning models are deployed ethically, minimizing bias and any kind of problems that occurs in the process. So, to summarize, supervised learning is an essential technique for making data-driven predictions across various fields. As technology progresses, supervised learning will only grow in its impact, enabling smarter decisions and unlocking new opportunities. So it is basically the entire new data output will be depending on your previous outputs as it is supervised learning. So thank you for your time.